too far, Mud. I know. You should have went and got it before. Oh my God, he's trying to go for it. I don't know, bud. I don't think that's a good idea. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. Pump those little legs. Come on, buddy. Come on. You can do it. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's a good boy. Did you get your little stick? Did you get your little stick? Was it worth it? That's funny. Get your stick, buddy. You're exhausted, huh? So proud of you, bro. That was the best you've ever done.